Love your coffee and just want to scream out loud and tell the whole wide world? Well, here is your chance to shine. They are coffee machine earrings. Just smell that caffeinated goodness. Let's open them up and then we'll give them a Mr. Tasteful score. Who is keen for a hot water bean juice? Oh boy, doesn't that sound enticing? Now, with our inspection gloves on, we have 2 earrings. 2 coffee cups and a coffee machine. I expected these to have a 3D look to them. However, I think you could call these a flat white. Good one, Mr. Tasteful. Jimmy's just informed me, off camera, that the flat white style of coffee is only really popular in Australia. So that joke's not really going to land for the majority of this audience. Yeah, that's embarrassing. To be honest, I feel a little scammed. These were meant to be a miniature coffee machine with 2 miniature cups. Instead, we have a poorly printed image on a white piece of plastic. Once again, let down by Wish.com items. We could call this a case of deja brew. On fire. Who in their right mind would wear these earrings to proclaim their love for coffee? It's not like proclaiming your love for veganism or artisan beard waxes. I don't get it. And why did I buy them? I don't even wear earrings. Jimmy, they are coffee machine earrings. Oh, you like a good espresso, do you, Jimmy? Since when? What do you mean, us Italians love espresso? You aren't Italian. No, Jimmy, George Clooney isn't Italian either. He was born in Kentucky. Let's give the coffee machine earrings a Mr. Tasteful score. We're scoring the coffee machine earrings based on the factors of weird, tacky and functional. Starting off with weird. There are weirder things to wear on your ears, but these are not diamond earrings. 6.25 out of 10. Next we look at tacky. As well as being cheaply made junk, these aren't doing anything for the fashion world. 7.5 out of 10. And finally, functionality. We gave 3 points to the baby ear earrings in episode 37, and Mr. Tasteful, he is all about equality. 3 out of 10. From the coffee house to the brew house, we have 16.75 Mr. Tasteful points out of 30. Looking at the Mr. Tasteful leaderboard for all the finest in Italian designed craftsmanship, the coffee machine earrings on 16.75 points go into position number 21. Just above we have the toothpick mini crossbow and mop slippers. Just below, the bag of maggots and the troll doll lighter case. And up the top amongst Italian classics like Ferrari, Lamborghini and a 3-hour lunch break is the pea funnel, fake camel toe and blue plastic ear covers. Coffee machine earrings. Nice idea, but terrible execution. And for more nice ideas with terrible execution, subscribe to Mr. Tasteful. Mamma mia, Jimmy! The lies! You were made in a Chinese plastics factory.